First, start by saturating the entire weft. I like to start with the clamps left on the hair to saturate the hair with water. Now we're going to remove the clamps. Here we're going to go through each weft with conditioner. So we're co-washing our kinky hair extensions. This method works for any type of hair extensions, whether they're coily, kinky, curly, or blowout. I prefer co-washing just to keep them healthy, radiant, and full. While you're co-washing, make sure you target the weft as well. I like to rinse the hair in loop, cool to warm water. So we're rinsing the hair here out completely, and we're squeezing it at the end of each rinse to release the most water we can with our hands before we let them air dry. Here is a glimpse of the hair. I was showing you the kinky hair. Gorgeous. This is only the amount of hair we lost during the entire process. You see, this is a thick weft of hair. Now it's time to air dry.